Hello everyone, my name is Yoli. I was born and raised in Botswana, and then I moved to Canada to do my undergraduate degree, and I lived there for almost 20 years. And then I moved to the United States about 11 years ago. I currently live in the Hudson Valley area in upstate New York with my husband and 4 daughters. The Hudson Valley area is one of the most beautiful places to experience, especially around the fall. It is also home to one of the Culinary Institutes of America in Hyde Park, where great chefs like the late Anthony Bourdain and Kat Cora studied. There are 2 things that I feel are important to me, and these are my family and good health. I feel that good health is one of those things we tend to take for granted until it's gone. Once one has a health complication, that is when we realize how important good health is. But when one is in good health, you get to spend time with your family and friends, especially your family, because you get to enjoy the most important things in life. This is my family, our 4 daughters and I attending a graduation ceremony for one of my daughters. My family is important to me because of the network support we give each other. And it's also my home base, a place where I always feel accepted and belong. And we also share very happy and special moments together. Some of my favorite things to do during my spare time are cooking, reading, walking, and spending time with my family. I also enjoy watching movies, and The Scent of a Woman is a favorite movie of mine. I also enjoy reading, and Chimamanda Ngozi is a favorite author of mine. My educational and professional background include a Bachelor of Science degree in Food Science from the University of Manitoba in Canada, and I also worked as a quality control analyst for a pharmaceutical company in Canada. I also worked for the federal government as a statistical assistant, and I currently work as a legal assistant in the Office of Legal Affairs at the United Nations headquarters in New York City. I work with a group of lawyers that represent the United Nations on various issues. And as I'm currently working on my Masters of Applied Nutrition in Applied Nutrition, I'm hoping that at some point I'll be able to be part of the Sustainable Development Goals, the SDGs, where we can work towards eradicating extreme poverty and hunger, reduce child mortality, and improve maternal health. And I'm also hoping that this degree will provide me with an opportunity to practice nutrition in various areas, especially in public health nutrition, where I can educate the public on nutrition, food safety, and food security. The goal is really to increase nutrition awareness and knowledge to the public. Thank you very much for listening, and I look forward to a wonderful 8 weeks learning together.